Still looking for a dream house na single detached at wala ka nang ipapagawa pa? Ito na yun guys. For as low as 50,000 pesos, marireserve mo na ang dream house mo. By the way, I'm Ron Idjaw. Tara, samahan niyo akong libutin ng isa sa napakagandang bahay ni Demeter Land. This house called Celestina Model. It has 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath with 300 square meter lot area and 132 square meter floor area. As we enter, naka-gate and fence na ang house mo. Sobrang lawak ng kanyang carport area. Lahat ng doors is nakamahogany woods na. Sobrang lawak ng kanyang living area dahil tapat lang ito ng lanay area. May mga built-in cabinets na rin sa iyong kitchen area. Naka floor to ceiling na rin ang tile sa ating toilet and bath with lavatory at naka-telephone and rain shower na rin ito. Naka-transparent glass and wooden handrails na din kaya sobrang elegant nitong tignan. May meeting tayo with architect so choice mo kung naka-cove or drop ang lahat ng ceiling mo dahil open for modification naman tayo. By the way guys, this house is modified by our client. You can modify your own, depende sa gusto mo. Kaya ma-achieve mo talaga ang floor plan na gusto mo. Lahat ng rooms ay may built-in cabinet na rin with free CCTV cameras, smoke detector alarm, and fire extinguisher. Kaya safe na safe ang family mo. This house is located at Villa Verde Villas, Mabini, Batangas. And may other location kami sa Cavite, Laguna, Bulacan, Batangas, Pampanga at Tarlac. No spot down payment ito. Available ito via bank and in-house financing. If interested ka, i-PM mo na ako sa aking Facebook account. Like and follow mo na rin ako sa aking TikTok and YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you!